Just wanted to record what a bad wheel bearing sounds like. Don't mind the brake light. That just came on for some reason. 250,000 miles though. Hear that loud roaring noise? And it's getting progressively louder as I'm speeding up. And then I'll let off the accelerator and listen. Coming up to a stop sign, you see I'm doing 20, you can't hear it. It's very, very low. Noise increases as speed increases. Here we go. Noise starts at about 25 miles an hour. Just a loud howling, humming. It's coming from the front left, and it changes pitch as the speed changes. And that right there is how you find out that you got a bad wheel bearing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and please subscribe.